arrived in Oconomowoc, Wisconsin. Got this lake right here, Lake Belle, I think it is. Got a dam right over here, and a little bit of trash already got in the water here. This is a fishing area, lots of carp in here. You're gonna love the footage today. We're gonna get some trash, line, lures, see a lot of fish. Let's get it. Lures. Oh yeah, an old wrench. Baseball, some glass. You see a big old catfish on there? I pushed the shells in a hole and that attacked me. What? Yeah. Where's he at? In the anchor. Like a brand new anchor. You threw what in there? There's a big bass down here too. Yeah. That's deep right here. This is an awesome dive so far. The current ain't too bad here, and it's easy to stay down. There's everything down here. I know. You see all the plastics in the stuff that's just rolling there? A lot of fish down here. Catfish, carp, walleye, bass. How much air do you have left? About 500 bucks. Get out of here. That was a very enjoyable dive. Very clear. A lot of fish. Jay got a bunch of stuff out of there. I got a bunch of stuff out of there. This stuff does not belong in the water. Got some clothing over there, an anchor. You can do better. Check out what we got. Got a lot of fishing lures out of there today. Most of these are plastic, they're just expanded, older, some lead here, some other lures. Pulled 5 of these vapes out, not good, these do not belong in the water. Battery, some glass here, baseball, someone's scissors. Got a bunch of cans here, bunch of plastic, someone's sweatshirt here that says Under Armour, an anchor, got an old wrench right here, some more cloth, and we got about, a bag and a half full of garbage from the banks too. What'd you see down there?
It's lots of fish. Lots of different carp, catfish, bass, walleye, perch, bluegill, white bass.
This is Jay's first day back in about 2 weeks. Took a break. Good to have him back.